Have you ever finished a chore around the house, like sweeping the porch or carrying a basket of laundry, and felt a little spark of pride, like you've just done something good for yourself? It's a great feeling, isn't it? But sometimes, as we get past 60, it's easy to let those tasks slide, maybe because they feel like a hassle or we're worried they're too much for us. I remember my Uncle Fred, who's 67, saying he used to dread taking out the trash because it felt like a workout he didn't sign up for. Then one day, he noticed how much stronger he felt after doing it regularly, and it hit him those everyday chores weren't just keeping his house tidy, they were keeping him independent and full of life. That's what's so exciting about the chores we do every day. They're not just about a clean home, they're secret strength builders that help us stay self-sufficient. After 60, staying active and capable isn't about hitting the gym or running marathons, it's about using the tasks we already do to keep our bodies strong and our confidence high. Today, I'm thrilled to share 6 daily chores that double as ways to build your strength and keep you living life on your own terms. These are simple, practical things you're probably already doing or could easily start that make a big difference without feeling like exercise. By the time we're done, you'll see your to-do list in a whole new light, like a treasure map to staying strong and independent. Picture yourself moving through your day with a bit more pep in your step, knowing the chores you're tackling are actually helping you stay fit and ready for anything, whether it's playing with your grandkids, tending your garden, or just enjoying the freedom of doing things for yourself. We're going to walk through each of these chores together, with tips to make them work for you, no matter how big or small your home is. And don't worry if you're thinking, I'm not exactly a fitness buff. These are for everyone, whether you're a chore pro or just looking for ways to stay active without overdoing it. Let's kick things off with the first chore, which is making your bed every morning. I know, it sounds like something your mom nagged you about, but hear me out. This simple task is like a warm-up for your whole body. When you make your bed, you're bending, stretching, and moving your arms and back in ways that wake up your muscles. Start by pulling up the sheets and smoothing them out, which gives your shoulders and arms a gentle workout. As you tuck in the corners or fluff your pillows, you're engaging your core and even working on your balance a bit, especially if you're moving around the bed. My friend Nancy, who's 64, started making her bed every day after years of leaving it messy. She noticed how much better she felt starting her morning with that small win. It wasn't just about a tidy room, it was about feeling strong enough to tackle the rest of her day. If you want to add a little extra, try stretching up high as you smooth the comforter or bending at the knees instead of your waist when you tuck in the sheets. It's like sneaking in a mini squat. And if your bed's high or tricky to manage, just do what you can, even if it's just straightening the pillows. The point is to move your body and feel that sense of accomplishment first thing in the morning. Now that you've got your bed looking sharp, let's move on to the second chore, which is carrying your laundry. Whether you're toting a basket to the washer or hauling clean clothes back to your room, this is a fantastic way to build strength in your arms, legs, and core. The key is to treat it like a little exercise session. Stand tall, hold the basket close to your body, and take steady steps. If you've got stairs, even better, going up and down is like a natural step workout that keeps your legs strong. Just don't overload the basket, keep it light enough that you're comfortable, maybe splitting a big load into 2 smaller trips. My neighbor Carl, who's 66, used to grumble about laundry day until he realized how much it was helping his stamina. He started carrying smaller loads more often, and now he says he feels steadier walking around his house, even when he's carrying groceries. If your washer's far from your bedroom, use a sturdy basket with handles, and take breaks if you need them. Set it down, catch your breath, and keep going. You can even make it fun by putting on some music and moving to the beat while you sort or fold. It's all about turning a chore into a chance to keep your body moving and your independence rock solid. So, we've got making your bed and carrying laundry, giving your muscles a gentle workout and boosting your confidence. Next, we're going to talk about a chore that gets you outside and moving in a way that feels like a gift to both your body and your soul. Now that you're starting your day with a neatly made bed and getting a little arm workout with your laundry, let's step outside for our third chore, which is sweeping or raking your porch, walkway, or yard. There's something so satisfying about clearing away leaves or dust and seeing your space look fresh, but what's even better is how this chore builds strength and keeps you nimble. Sweeping and raking work your arms, shoulders, and back, and all that stepping side to side helps with balance and coordination. Plus, being outside in the fresh air gives you a boost that makes every movement feel like a treat. Grab a broom or a lightweight rake, make sure it's not too heavy or long for you to handle comfortably. Start with small, steady strokes, keeping your knees slightly bent to protect your back. If you're sweeping your porch, move in a rhythm that feels good, maybe pushing the broom out and pulling it back like a gentle dance. For raking, gather leaves into small piles so you're not overdoing it, and take breaks to admire your work. If you've got a big area, just do a section at a time, maybe the front steps one day, the driveway the next. The key is to keep it manageable so it feels like a win, not a marathon. My friend Louise, who's 62, started sweeping her patio every morning, and she swears it's better than any gym class she ever took. She says the motion keeps her shoulders loose, and the sunshine lifts her mood before she even has her coffee. If you don't have a porch or yard, you can still get the same benefits by sweeping your kitchen or hallway. Just a few minutes of pushing that broom will get your heart pumping and your muscles working. And if bending's tough, look for a broom with a long handle or even a dustpan you can use while standing. It's all about finding what works for your body and making your home sparkle while you stay strong. As you sweep or rake, imagine how each stroke is building your endurance, so you're ready for anything, whether it's chasing a grandkid around the park or carrying your own shopping bags. It's like your home is cheering you on, giving you a chance to stay active while keeping things tidy. That feeling of doing it yourself is pure gold, and it's something you can carry with you all day. Let's move back inside for our fourth chore, which is wiping down your kitchen counters or appliances. This might sound like a small thing, but it's a fantastic way to keep your arms and core engaged while making your kitchen feel like a place you love to be. Every time you clean those surfaces, you're stretching, reaching, and moving in ways that build strength without feeling like a workout. Plus, a shiny kitchen just makes everything taste better, don't you think? Grab a damp cloth or sponge, nothing fancy, just whatever you've got, and start with your countertops, sink, or maybe the front of your fridge. Use big, circular motions to wipe down each surface, reaching up high for the top of the microwave or stretching across to get every corner of the counter. If you want to add a little extra, stand on your toes for a moment while you clean higher spots to work your calves, or take a step back and forth to engage your legs. It's like turning your kitchen into a mini gym, but all you're doing is keeping things clean. My neighbor Doris, who's 65, started doing this every evening after dinner, and she says it's made her arms feel stronger than they have in years. She used to struggle to open tight jars, but now she pops them open like a pro, and she credits those daily wipes for the difference. If your kitchen's big or you've got a lot of surfaces, just do one section at a time, maybe the stove today, the counters tomorrow. And if reaching high or bending low feels tricky, use a step stool with a handrail for safety, or stick to surfaces at a comfortable height. The goal is to move your body in a way that feels good and keeps your space inviting. What's so great about this chore is how it fits into your day without asking for extra time. You're already in the kitchen, so why not give it a quick wipe while your tea's brewing or your soup's simmering? It's a reminder that you're capable of keeping your home just the way you like it, and every swipe is a little victory for your strength and independence. Now that we've got you moving outdoors and shining up your kitchen, let's talk about a chore that's all about keeping your whole body active while making sure you're ready for whatever your day brings. It's a simple one, but it packs a surprising punch when it comes to staying self-sufficient. With your bed made, laundry carried, porch swept, and kitchen sparkling, you're already turning everyday tasks into ways to stay strong and independent. Let's keep that momentum going with our fifth chore, which is organizing a small space like a drawer, a shelf, or your entryway table. This one's a gem because it works your body and your mind, giving you a chance to stretch, bend, and lift while keeping your home exactly how you want it. Plus, there's nothing like the satisfaction of opening a drawer and finding everything in its place. It's like a little gift you give yourself every day. Pick one spot to start with, maybe the junk drawer where pens and paper clips seem to multiply, or the shelf where you keep your hats and scarves. Clear everything out and spread it on a table or counter, so you're moving around as you sort. As you decide what to keep, toss, or relocate, you'll be bending to reach low, stretching to put things back, and maybe even walking back and forth to put items where they belong. If you've got heavier things, like a stack of books or a box of odds and ends, lift them carefully, bend at your knees, keep your back straight, and hold the load close to your body. It's like a gentle weightlifting session that builds your arms and core without feeling like a chore. My friend Harold, who's 69, started organizing his desk every week after it kept getting buried under bills and old catalogs. He says the bending and reaching to sort things out has made him feel steadier on his feet, and now he can find his glasses in a snap. If you want to make it fun, put on some music while you work, something upbeat that gets you moving. And if a whole drawer feels like too much, just do a corner of it, maybe the section with all those mystery chords. The point is to keep your body active and your space clutter-free, so you're always ready to tackle whatever comes next, whether it's writing a letter or grabbing your keys to head out. What's so wonderful about this chore is how it builds your confidence alongside your strength. Every time you tidy up, you're proving to yourself that you've got what it takes to keep your home running smoothly, no matter how small the task. It's like a reminder that you're in charge, and that feels pretty great, doesn't it? Let's wrap things up with our sixth chore, which is watering your plants or garden. Whether you've got a few potted herbs on your windowsill or a backyard full of flowers, this task is a fantastic way to keep your whole body moving while connecting with something alive and growing. Carrying a watering can or hose works your arms and shoulders, walking from plant to plant strengthens your legs, and bending to reach low pots gives your back and core a gentle stretch. Plus, being around plants is like a little dose of calm, making every moment you spend with them feel like a treat. If you've got indoor plants, use a small watering can that's easy to carry, fill it halfway to keep it light, and walk to each pot, taking your time to check the leaves and soil. For outdoor gardens, a hose with a nozzle makes it easy to direct water without straining, or you can carry a can to specific spots, moving slowly to enjoy the fresh air. If bending's tough, try a long spout watering can to reach low plants without stooping, or set up raised planters so everything's at a comfortable height. Even just misting a few ferns with a spray bottle gets your hands and arms moving while keeping your green friends happy. My neighbor Grace, who's 63, loves watering her roses every morning. She says carrying the can around her yard has made her feel stronger than ever, and she swears the flowers bloom brighter because of the love she puts into it. If you don't have plants yet, consider starting with something low maintenance, like a pothose or a small herb garden. Caring for them is a chore that gives back in spades. And if you're in an apartment, even tending to a single succulent can get you moving and add a touch of green to your day. As you water your plants, think about how you're nurturing not just them, but yourself, building strength, staying active, and keeping your independence in full bloom. We've talked about making your bed to kickstart your day, carrying laundry to work your muscles, sweeping outside to boost your balance, wiping down your kitchen to keep your arms strong, organizing a space to stay nimble, and now watering plants to move your whole body. Each of these chores is like a stepping stone, helping you build a life where you're strong, capable, and ready for anything. If you're wondering whether these little tasks can really make a difference, I promise you they do. I've seen it with folks like my Uncle Fred, who went from dreading chores to embracing them as his secret to staying fit and free. It's not about turning your life upside down, it's about seeing the power in what you already do and letting it lift you up. Every time you sweep a step or lift a watering can, you're showing yourself just how much you're capable of, and that's something to celebrate. I'd love to hear how these chores work for you, so please drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Maybe you've got a favorite task that keeps you moving, or maybe you're excited to try watering a new plant. What's your story? And if you found this video helpful, give it a quick like. It helps us share these ideas with more folks who want to stay strong and independent. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're always posting tips to help you live your best life, no matter where you are in your journey. As you go about your day, remember this: every chore you do is a chance to build your strength and shine your independence. You're more powerful than you know, and your home is the perfect place to prove it. Keep moving, keep thriving, and here's to a life full of strength and self-sufficiency.